Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix ghost touch problem in the Samsung Galaxy XCover7 Pro. Let's begin! There are a couple of reasons on why ghost touch problem even occurs. The very first one is probably screen protectors. If you have installed any of those lately, you probably want to remove them, or even better, if you don't have any, you probably want to install one of those. I know it sounds kind of weird, but basically ghost touch problem is a barely noticeable touch that is still registered by your device. However, fault isn't always on the side of the screen protectors. We can try to go into the settings, and in the settings we want to simply go into the display. Now scroll down a little and you will see a few options. I'm talking about these two: accidental touch protections and touch sensitivity. Now this setting of the first one being disabled and this one being enabled is very wrong when you're dealing with ghost touch problem. This is usually on when you have problems with your screen protector. If you are struggling with ghost touch problem, you can simply decrease the sensitivity of your touch and enable the protection of accidental touches. And these two settings should improve any kind of issues you might have. And if somehow it's still not working, I would simply advise you to scroll down into the settings, head into software update, download and install, and check if you have newest update of your software. And yeah, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.